Now we're finding the form of a quadratic when f of x is increasing. So if we're trying to figure out those intervals, the times when the parabola, that U-shaped graph, right, is increasing, then let's think about what that looks like. So let's say that the vertex is here. I'm just going to pick a little spot and make a little happy little U shape. And so I can see that it's increasing not on this side, right? But it's increasing on this side. Or if we go from left to right, like it's decreasing at first, then it's increasing after that. And when is that change? Well, that changes at the vertex, which is a good sign that we're going to want the vertex form. We don't even have x-intercepts, so the factored form is not really helpful to us here. Standard form is not going to show us any of that directly. It's going to show us our y-intercept, but that's not, it doesn't really matter where it crosses the y-axis in this question. So vertex form is going to help us with this. The intervals where it's increasing are where the vertex is, that indicates where it changes. So if the vertex here is at -5, 3, then the -5 is the key point, right? It's decreasing until -5, and then the interval where it's increasing is any time when x is greater than -5. So vertex form is going to tell us that. The vertex form, it would say something like f of x equals x plus 5 squared plus 3. There could be a number in front here. There could be a fraction. Maybe this is 1/2, or maybe it's something else. But the key is that it's positive, so we know it opens up, and a +5 in there means it's the opposite for the vertex, and so it tells us where the change occurs in direction. Okay, so if you want to know intervals where y value or f of x is increasing or decreasing, you want to use vertex form. Hope that helps. See you next time.